Alright guys, I already got my first trick down. I don't have it down perfectly, but I have it down and I can show you how to do it. Okay. It's easy. See, sometimes it doesn't work. Okay. Now, all you do is, whenever you first get a Zippo, your wick will be right side up. And what you do is you take a pencil or something, not like this because it will mess up your wick. And what you do is you'll start to guide it down, and then you'll take the other end and push it down a little bit, but make sure it's not sticking out the sides here, or else it will not work. And then what you do is, what that does is it'll make an air pocket down on the very inside, right in here. If you can see, whenever I do that, there's still some flame in there. See, and after a little bit of relight. So all you gotta do is just, as long as the flame is still there, it'll work. Now, any movement whatsoever will relight it completely, and any air movement will relight it completely. So, first trick, don't know what it's called. I think it's called the takeaway. But first trick down, first trick taught. Good luck. Post your results if you want to.